Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Tiki guy. That's right, we're doing Tiki again today. Now, I wanted to do which I consider to be the king of all Tiki, the zombie. This low carb version of the zombie has been adapted from Distinguished Spirits. You can check out that video right there on their YouTube channel, see how they do it. I will be using different rums than he did. I just don't have those. I have them on order and I'm waiting, but I've been waiting for about 3 weeks now for my liquor store to get those in special order. So we're gonna go ahead and do this without the Demerara rums, without the rums that are specified in the video. We're just gonna use some local rums that we have around here, plus a 151 proof. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna make sure I get everything correct, get all the information for you guys here. So I have my low carb cocktail recipe book. So, low carb zombie in a tin. We're gonna start off with 1 ounce of 151 rum. So we do 1 ounce of, I have Ray and Nephew's 151. Now Distinguished Spirits, they called for Demerara 151. Just put a little bit there. Next, we can do 1.5 ounces of a dark rum. I'll be using Old New Orleans. They're amber, just because I like it. That's 1.5 ounces of this. And again, 1.5 ounces of a gold rum. Now the gold rum I have is Mount Gay, but I've decided I'm going to use this one here, Herbsain out of New Orleans. I've done a zombie with this one already and it was really good, so we're going to go ahead and use this one. 1.5 ounces of our light rum we'll be using this time. Now, you're going to tell me that, hey, that's not a real zombie, and hey, you may be right, but it is damn tasty. So next we're going to go with 3/4 lime juice. I am using bottled lime juice, again, just to keep those carbs down. If you add fresh lime juice to this, with 3/4 of an ounce, you're gonna have about 2 grams of carbs with it. So 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Next, we do falernum. Now, you buy falernum, it's extremely high in sugar. This is one I made here in my house. And once again, thanks to Distinguished Spirits, you can check out that video right here. The only thing I did different is I substituted the sugar for Splenda. Now my falernum is going to have 1.5 grams of carbs per ounce. And falernum, it's a rum-based liqueur with almond, limes, and clove. Really yummy. So we're going to do we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the falernum, and that's going to be 0.75 grams of carbs in the 1/2 ounce. And next, we're going to go with Don's Mix. Don's Mix is going to be a cinnamon syrup and a grapefruit mix combined. Now, you're supposed to use white grapefruit juice for the Don's Mix. Now, if you're on low carb, you know grapefruit's not really low carb, but I was able to find that Ocean Spray puts out a light ruby red, which I think has 14 grams of carbs in an 8-ounce serving. And that puts this at, for 1/2 ounce of my Don's Mix, total, what I wrote on here, 3.2 grams of carbs in my Don's Mix, and that's going to be 1/2 ounce, so 1.85 grams of carbs in my Don Mix. Basically what I did is took my simple syrup recipe, then I put that on a stove, and I got it to a light simmer, put some cinnamon sticks in it, let that sit, cool down, and just, get a nice cinnamon flavor to it. So basically it's just a cinnamon syrup that you're going to add your grapefruit juice to. And then from there we're going to go with grenadine. It says 1 teaspoon grenadine, which on the Monin, guys, if you've not tried Monin syrup shake, by all means go ahead and do that. They're not a sponsor of my channel at all. It'd be awesome if they were, providing me with unlimited syrups. But this is actually my 3rd bottle of their pomegranate, which that's all grenadine is pomegranate syrup. And Monin has a delicious pomegranate sugar-free syrup. And from there, next we're going to go add a dash of Pernod. Absinthe, Pernod, any type of anise liqueur. I'm using Herbsain because I know this brand is 0 added sugar and 0 carbs. on their website, you can find that information there. Now, according to Distinguished Spirits, 6 drops would equal a dash. So, and I don't have a dasher for it, so I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6. Nope, 7. A little more licoricey. And after that, 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And that's it. I don't know why I put it on that side. We'll see. All right, we'll get some ice in here. We're going to go ahead and shake that up. You know, shake until it's cold. All right. Oh, that smells delicious. All right, now, in a tall Collins glass or tall glass or something like that, or a tiki mug if you got one. I don't have one of the cool ones that he had in this video. I'm going to put some crushed ice. I've already taken my Lewis bag and my mallet and I've broken up my ice already. And man, I recommend if you're doing cocktails and you want like crushed ice, go ahead and just crush it all at one time, put it in a Ziploc bag, chunk it in your freezer, and you're set for a while. So we're going to go ahead and get some crushed ice. And we'll strain this in. And yeah, it's a little pink, but that's because of the only grapefruit juice I can find that was dire light was a red grapefruit juice. And we're going to go ahead and garnish that with a little mint and a straw. So now let's go ahead and try this out. Man, that's boozy. That's strong. I can see why some places limit that to 2. So guys, really, it's a delicious cocktail, really tasty, and it'll kick your ass. That it will. Oh man, that's good. If you want to check out some more tiki cocktails that are not low carb, go ahead and check out Distinguished Spirits. Great website. And I want to thank, I don't even know what the guy's name is. The Distinguished Spirits guy. I don't know quite what his name is, but I watch all of his videos, and I find that they're true to what it originally should be. At least from what I found, kind of researching cocktail recipes. Great content. It gives you a lot about the background of the cocktail. My channel is more about here's how to make the drink low carb. Enjoy. You can find a lot of information out, especially at his website. So that's it, guys. Y'all have a great day. It's my day off, so I may end up a zombie later. See y'all later.